English version mathematics class 5 chapter 8 length management number 5 5 8 people weight 451.2 kg. So how many hectogram will their average weight be? I already told, if the answer 1 to hectogram, that we need to convert them all of them in hectogram. And we know that 1 kilogram equal to 10 hectogram. Okay, that the total weight of 451.2 kg. Here need to convert in hectogram equal to into 10. That means 4512 hectogram. Then average weight, average how many people? 8 people. That means 4512 divided by 8 equal to 564 hectogram. Thank you.